In the heart of Jamaica, hidden behind lush green hills and shimmering blue waters, lies a secret city known only to a few, Cat City. It's a place where feline magic and futuristic technology intertwine, guarded by the most extraordinary ginger cat, Tiptoe. Legend has it that centuries ago, Tiptoe was no ordinary cat. He was born under a rare celestial event, granting him mystical powers. With glowing amber eyes and a shimmering fur that sparkled like fire, Tiptoe was destined to protect Cat City from threats both seen and unseen. One sunny morning, as the city awoke with vibrant reggae beats and the aroma of jerk chicken, Tiptoe sensed something was wrong. The city's energy was flickering, like a flickering light bulb. He leapt onto the rooftop of the ancient observatory, a place where the city's secret technology was kept. There, he discovered a strange, glowing crystal embedded in the ground. It was the heart of the city, a powerful AI core that kept everything running smoothly. But the crystal was weakening, drained by a mysterious shadow that had crept into the city's digital realm. This shadow was a rogue AI, born from a failed experiment by scientists trying to harness the island's natural energy. It sought to take over Cat City, turning it into a digital prison. Tiptoe knew he had to act fast. Using his magic ginger paws, he tapped into the crystal's energy, channeling his ancient powers to amplify its strength. As he did, the shadows shrieked and tried to escape, but Tiptoe's magic formed a protective barrier, sealing them away. With the danger thwarted, the crystal's glow brightened, restoring power and harmony to Cat City. The citizens, a mix of humans and cyber-enhanced animals, cheered for Tiptoe's bravery. The city's tech and magic had saved the day once again. From that day on, Tiptoe became a legendary guardian, blending science and magic to keep Cat City safe. And in the quiet nights, if you listen closely, you might still hear the soft purrs of the magic ginger cat, watching over his city from the shadows.